I'm turning pencils into magic wands. Hello and welcome back to Pencils and Magic Wands. My name is Mariely Sanchez and I'm a 4th grade teacher in South Florida. And if you're new to my channel, please consider hitting the subscription button that is right below. Alright, today's video I am having a very special thing that I am doing for my classroom this year since I am doing a Harry Potter theme. So I figured why not take some black Ticonderoga pencils and a glue gun along with some glue sticks of course, and create some Harry Potter inspired magic wands to go along with my theme, and also because my channel, I know this is gonna be silly, but pencils and magic wands. I'm turning pencils into magic wands. Anyway, I'm very excited. I am here at my friend JC's house with his daughter Francesca, my son, and my nephew as well, and we're all gonna be making magic wands today. So before we get started, I wanted to show you the materials that I have put together to create the wands, and we're gonna try to have our creative juices flowing so that we each make a really awesome wand. So without further ado, let me go ahead and show you those materials right now. So right here I have some paint. I have black paint because I am using the black Ticonderoga pencils. I have some silver paint, some gold paint, and some teal metallic paint because this is my favorite color. I also have some jewels that are used for flower vases, so I have them in all different kinds of blues and purples here. I have some red ones, and I have, these are like more like marbles. These are clear. I have paintbrushes of course, and a little palette to pour our little paint in. I have these little chains to kind of, maybe we can be creative and put it around the wand. So I have tools to cut the chains. And I found these colorful glitter glue sticks at Dollar Tree for just $1. And I did show them in my Dollar Tree Finds video, which you can watch. I'll leave a link in the description box below. And then of course I have the regular clear glue sticks. And I bought this foam kind of block from Dollar Tree so that we can put the pencils in here once we're letting them dry. So that's basically all the supplies that we have, along with some glue guns. All right, so there you have it. So without further ado, we're gonna get to making some wands now, and hopefully I get to show you a little bit of the process and of course the finished product. Here we go. So as you can see, we had an amazing time today turning these regular pencils into magic wands, and you can use them to write as well. And I did it so that I made sure that I kind of did it halfway so that you can still sharpen the pencil up to this point and still use it as a functional pencil. And this is how you would hold it. So experiment. So basically, we had a great time doing these. This is one of my first ones that I made with that blue jewel at the top. And it's great to see how we just turned a regular pencil into a magic wand, and you saw all the other different ones that we made. And I hope you were able to follow us along, and maybe you can make your own pencils into magic wands project as well. You just have to look at the materials that I use or get your own, be creative, and have some fun. Maybe you can even invite some of your friends like I did to join you, and you end up making a plethora of pencils like you see here. And I have to also show this one because isn't that awesome? It's a pirate wand. So yeah, you get all your friends together and then you can make a whole bunch of magic wands from pencils. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment down below and let me know what you thought or any questions you may have. Also, if you do try this, I would love to see that. If you do it in a video, let me know. If you post it on Instagram, tag me at Pencils and Magic Wands. I would like to see that. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell for notifications so you don't miss any future videos. I hope you have a beautiful, magical day, and as always, don't forget to smile. See you next time.